who raised me. And we have the results. Look at this. Hey babes, this is Aalaire coming to you today with this, okay? Look, I'm gonna show you guys how I get my hair like this, defined curls and everything. It's not always looking like this. It usually look like a hot behind mess. But lo and behold, when I go out, it's a whole different scenery, you know? And look at these curls. These are so luscious. Like, I'm loving it. I'm really loving it. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I do that. And you know, just like, subscribe, and share. It's nothing much. Just like do a little something, something, right? A little something, something. But yes, I mean, you're gonna see that I get a little tired because I'm not gonna lie to you, curly hair is a lot to maintain. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to you, but I really wanted curly hair, so I guess I have to go through the trenches, right? I don't like combing, I don't like putting products in, anything like that. But look, when you want to go out and look cute, you're gonna have to do what you gotta do. But the good thing is you don't really have to put products into it like that. But because I like this defined curl to stay like almost all day, I do put the products in. And these are the products I use: the water bottle, the Sleek and Shine Fructis, and y'all need to stop calling me, and the Nairobi. Those are the products I use. And then I have my little brush, okay? It's not a big one. I also have a big one, but yeah, I know I left that when I was on vacation. I think I left it in a hotel, but at least I have this little one. That's all I care about. So stay tuned, and you know, the link will be in the description bar below. This is a 20-inch, and it is, what is it? Is it deep curly? I think I have too much wigs. Okay, but the first thing I'm gonna do, because I don't really like my baby hairs too much, I'm actually going to just touch it up a little bit. I'm gonna use the Nairobi. That's exactly what I use on a regular, and just a little spoolie. So I'm just gonna put it on the back of my hand and just spruce it up. Yeah, that's what I get. Cause I don't know. I just like the way the girl did it. My baby hairs were so cute, but I feel like after a couple of days I get tired of it. Like, I'm like, ugh, get out of me, get off of me, please, thank you. So this is the hair. Yeah, I don't believe it either, but I actually like it. I mean, it has this little it has this little cons, but it's, you know, it's okay. So the first thing I'm gonna do is start to brush out this hair. And if you guys know me, you guys know I'm not a fan of combing or brushing out hair. But with curly hair, that's a must. That is a must. And trust me, you're gonna have to, because it will not, well, it doesn't, the thing is, I don't know, but this hair doesn't really knot up on me. Like, yeah, I get nappy or whatever, but it's not to the point that it's like, it's not to the point that I can't manage it. So that's why I'm okay with it. But it is what it is, right? I said I want curly hair, so I got curly hair. Now I gotta deal with the maintenance. It's getting stuck on my lip gloss. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I will be putting a little water on it. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. But this is water. I can't find my spray bottle, so yeah, I have to use this for now. And it's spraying on me, but we're not gonna worry about that. Do you see it already? I think that's why I like this hair. It's actually nice, even though it does have its little cons, but I think I could deal with it. It's not too bad. You know, I could deal with this. I just want to dash it in the water, like, You guys see that? Okay, so the next thing, which is basically the last thing, is me using this in Nairobi. What I usually do, because the Nairobi is kind of hard sometimes, I actually put water into it once it gets to a certain level. So yeah, so I do like that, and then I kind of just bring it in like this. Y'all see that? Do you see those curls coming? Yes. Ooh, child. Ooh, child. Ooh, child. Ooh, child. So that's what I usually do. Or brush it, which I don't, as you can see. But it's not as bad. It's not too bad that I thought it would be. Yeah. This thing will take forever. Y'all invest yourselves into a spray bottle, because this, I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm just tired. Okay? Y'all don't look at me, okay? Don't copy this. Do not do what I'm doing, okay? So, now we're gonna use this. And brush in an angle, okay? Because you want those curls to stand out. After all that, it comes out pretty, so that's why I do it. Because come on now, look at this. Do you guys see this? So yes, as I said, I use water. Invest in a spray bottle, okay? I don't know where mine is. I use this Sleek and Shine Fructis, and then I also use the Nairobi. And then afterwards, everything, I just start scrunching it up together so the curls could like be more out there, okay? And look, at nighttime, we are getting to the down and dirty. Sometimes, if I'm really feeling like the hair needs a little, moisture, I'll put a little coconut oil into it, and then I will just twist it, all of it, do like probably like 6-7 parts, and just twist it and put the coconut oil into it. And also, what I also do, even after I twist it, I'll put them all in one. And this is my handy dandy scrunchie, okay? I love these type of scrunchies, not just for weave, but really and truly for your real hair, okay? Let me tell y'all that now. These scrunchies are the best for your real and fake hair. So I'll put it up in one. Oh God, I feel like I'm drowning. All right, we are doing this. And then I keep it like that, okay? And I mean, think about it, this is cute for like if you have your boyfriend or whatever coming over. So this is how it looks. And I usually have like a big silk bonnet. I have like the jumbo size. They sell them at the beauty supply store. And sometimes I'll put it over it, but if I just really just don't want that type of look without me having to do too much to it, then I'll just leave it like this. And I also stick the loose ends inside and make it like a bun, and I keep it like that. But this is actually cute, like every time I do it like this, I'm like, dang baby, you snatch. So the link will be in the description bar below, and please like, subscribe, and share. You already know I love you guys. Come through, subscribe.